The engineering construction industry is the cornerstone of Britain's energy and process industries. Our companies design, engineer, construct and decommission some of the biggest infrastructure projects in the country and overseas, and they'll be central to delivering net zero. The beating heart of our industry is its people, from craftspeople and technical engineers to project managers and beyond. Today, our industry, like many others, is facing significant labour shortages. By 2026, we estimate that over 25,000 additional roles will be needed. A new approach to skills delivery is required to meet the growing demand for skilled workers now and as project activity picks up pace.
As the industry-led skills body, the ECITB works with employers, training providers and governments to identify skills gaps and meet the training needs of employers. Our new strategy is designed to tackle the main workforce challenges facing the industry over the next 3 years. It builds on the successes of the ECITB Scholarship and Train to Retain programmes, two measures we introduced at the height of the pandemic, which have supported nearly 4,000 young people so far. The ECITB has pledged up to 87 million to fund high-quality training over that period. This funding will help address the skills gap directly and will help us attract and train young engineers at the start of the career. We'll also make it easier for workers to join the engineering construction industry from other allied sectors and provide any reskilling support they may need. One of the main lessons of the pandemic is that training needs to evolve, both to meet changing learner expectations as well as to deliver time and cost saving for employers.
The ECITB will lead the way on a blended approach involving physical and digital learning methods, always with the high standards of safety and competence at the front of our minds. Industry also needs to evolve, most notably in its efforts to appeal to a wider demographic. We will champion diversity and inclusion in everything we do, including harnessing our partnerships to improve the representation of diverse groups on our early careers programmes. The ECITB will play a pivotal role in helping our employers attract and retain staff across the new strategy period.
The offer of green jobs is at the heart of the energy transition and is a golden opportunity to strengthen the appeal of engineering construction careers to new recruits of all backgrounds and ages. Every part of our industry will be impacted by the transition to net zero. We will help build the next generation of nuclear plants, retrofit industrial sites for carbon capture and hydrogen production, deliver new wind power capacity and decarbonise the water, steel and cement industries. The industry is changing in other ways too. Digital technology is growing ever more prominent and is driving innovation in project delivery. The ECITB will deliver training to help the workforce adapt and harness these opportunities, whether that is the transition to net zero or bridging the digital skills gap. In all of this, the ECITB will need to strike a careful balance between supporting current skills needs and investing in the future.
The road ahead will be complex and will throw up many challenges. As a training board, we pride ourselves on our ability to evolve and to respond to industry's changing needs, drawing on the close contacts we have with our employers, our data and labour market intelligence. We will continue to press industry's training needs in our dialogue with the governments in England, Scotland and Wales to shape better policy outcomes. For the ECITB, our mission to lead industry learning has never been more important than it is today.